Hey, that ain't no joke, right?
Yeah.
Look out racing. Look what I'm saying. Subscribe. Tell your uncle. Tell your mama. Tell everybody.
Yeah. Look out. Unlock the door.
Huxo.
Look out. Look out. A little taller than my ass, though.
Yeah.
Is it electric?
No, you gotta scoot it up on the regular.
Oh, there it is. This is one link.
Turn the traction control off on the side.
Look out,
over there.
look
It's
out.
on the left side. See it?
Oh, yeah.
Boom. Turn performance mode on. Alright, let's go.
Look out. You be in this really leaning like a motherfucker. This gonna be on your YouTube?
Yeah, this gonna be on the YouTube channel.
You do a burnout?
Do a burnout. You just hold it for this regular drive. It's ready. Alright.
Huxo.
I don't think the light working.
It probably ain't working.
Let me just go for it.
Alright.
Nope.
Oh, no pass?
Yeah, bud. Ain't nobody going down. We done.
Oh, man. I thought we was going down. We gotta bag it up, man.
He ain't got lights. We don't got EMS.
When we work, oh yeah, he ain't got no EMS. Everybody gone.
That's the first? Oh, no. Oh, that's not.
Oh yeah, you on the windshield wipers. Damn.
I got you back, bud. Don't worry.
That was alright burnout, though.
Yeah, it was good burnout.
This is my first time I've been on a track, to be honest. I didn't want to tell you that.
For real?
I be
Hey,
on
well,
the street,
shit.
man. I don't be out there like that.
Well, it felt good.
I be out on the street. I don't
It
be
felt good. It felt good. Here, go out that way.
No, I be on the street, man.
Yeah. Well, hell, the street way more dangerous than the track.
I know. Man, I had that G8. I love racing them Mustangs back in the day. They didn't know what it was. Motherfucker walk up to me, is this a Kia? Is this a Tesla? Is this a...
Yeah.
Nigga, boom! That's what that is. That's that
Yeah.
bitch, motherfucker.
Feel that bitch one time. You like that?
Oh, man, that gotta be... Woo!
If you like it, yeah.
Oh, I'm about to
We
hit
got
it
all
in.
open
Yep,
space
that's
over
it.
here, man. What you think?
Oh, man. I gotta get me LS3
Yeah.
with the Supercharger on it.
Yeah.
Man, I appreciate that, man.
You
Man,
like it?
everybody, I about to hit the past shit, just went, man. Just said, oh, man.
Yeah.
That shit took off like the police was on me. You know what I'm saying?
Where your car at? Where you
I'm
park
in the
at?
spectator side. You know,
All right, well,
man.
shit. Let's go over there, man.
Oh,
shit, hit
shit,
that bitch
man.
over there. Shit. What you think?
Man, I need the Supercharged.
You like that?
What you know about the Nitrous, though? You like your LS
I like nitrous. I'm putting nitrous too.
No, I know the LS. Oh, this,
I like nitrous too. I'm putting same thing. LSA
Are you putting
nitrous.
LS? Oh, my. that
LSA
fight so hurt
nitrous,
feelings.
man.
How much
I
that over
wanna
there?
go. Well, however you got to get over there. We getting over there.
All right, we got to do like one way home, so.
Well, hey, let's get over there, man.
Salute. That's that one right there. That ain't the two. That's the one, baby. You know what I'm
You
saying?
like that?
I like that.
I'm gonna put some HRDs in here, man.
I'll keep it on. Oh, there we go.
Yeah, I gotta put me some HRDs in here.
I'm pretty sure you trust me with your shit. I mean, you know, I feel like you know I handled it.
Yeah, man. You doing a good job.
We out here. You know what I'm saying? Do I go that way or this way?
I don't even know. Yeah, I I guess straight, man.
This looks straight though. So. We don't need the track to make no pass.
Yeah, we got an open street right here. We got an open street.
Let's bring it back to the speed limit though, because this is. Don't worry about the speed limit. We in Mexico right now. Mexico don't got speed limit.
We ain't trying to make no laws, man.
Why don't I hide it right now? You know what I'm saying? I had to
We
go
ain't trying to make no laws, man.
Man, this is
it's beautiful.
This is beautiful. This is art. This function art, man. This not, you know, it's not. Woo, that's what I want right here, man. Honestly, knew my mom let me drive it. This is like my dream. My homeboys gonna watch the video. They're gonna be like, he's not lying. This supercharged sedan G8 PPV with it, like, you know, whatever they want to call it.
Yeah, I called it today. I wanted to name it the Crooked Officer, man, but
you gotta put the light back on.
The light.
The light is what shows the light in the if you can put the grill too, the guard.
Oh yeah, the bumper guard.
Like the police bumper guard. Then it like them up, cause you have a little bit of the paint job, kinda.
Yeah.
You know,
but I gotta go on ahead and complete.
Have you seen the Sancho?
I see. Yeah.
And all that bullshit.
I
saw that car yesterday. That motherfucker in Louisville.
I see what you're saying. I gotta go on ahead and complete it. You know, make it look like the real deal.
And maybe not put police lights. Maybe put, you know, like orange lights or something.
Yeah.
You know,
I gotta figure out what to do, cause I ain't really thought about how I'm gonna do it and keep the name Crooked Officer and all that, but
that's that zero shit.
Yeah,
that's my favorite.
Crooked Officer, Crooked Officer.
That's my shit. Let me go and blow the badge off of you. Yeah, that's my shit. What's my money, man?
I ain't even been, you know, thinking of how I'm gonna do it or whatever.
Right, man. That's addicting. You know that song?
Yeah, that wine addictive.
That wine addicting. That wine addicting.
Hey man,
that's hard in the motherfucker, man. For real, man. I've been supporting yours. I've been a subscriber. You can look it up. You can look the data up. Whatever you want to do. I'm in there, so I appreciate you. I'm gonna show my homies. They're like, no. I told them I was showing a lookout. And they're like, no. And then I'm about to make a full passenger shit. I was about to hit your PP. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. And see what to do one time for the one time.
They stopped my ass real quick. They said, whoa. Sir. I'm in this little Jeep right here, daily, you know.
Yeah.
Until we get out there.
That ain't nothing.
Man, I want to swap it. Put the TH400 460E LS.
Damn.
But I'm waiting for that one to blow. That one's already kind of.
That thing ain't finna blow. What, you gonna run it low on oil?
Nah, it has rebuilt heads and shit.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Those engines, those 3.7s.
Yeah.
Yeah, they ain't the best.
Man, oh yeah, I heard about that 3.7.
That man.
That ain't no good.
Man, that's something else, man.
Yeah.
I hit it one.
Woo! You like that?
I love that. I don't like that. I love that. Man, that's something else, man. You're gonna have to get gas.
Oh shit, I'm low.
Nah, you a quarter tank, but
I'll make it home.
I don't know what this run like. I don't know how far you.
I can get home with that right there.
You can put it high gear.
Yeah, I can get to the house.
I appreciate that though.
Already, man.
I'm about to slide on out here, let you get you back in the cockpit. You know
already, man. You a good night, man.
This motherfucker, appreciate that. You know, look out racing. Look, you know what I'm saying? Subscribe, tell your uncle, tell your mama, tell everybody.
Yeah, look out.
Make sure you tell your friend, tell your partner, tell your uncle. The one that don't know how to work his phone that good. Make sure he subscribed too.
Look out.